Today we're making tiramisu, a delicious Italian cake. And to make this simple recipe, guys, we're gonna need a cup of cold coffee, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 pound of mascarpone cheese, 1 tablespoon of Philadelphia cheese, 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 7-ounce bags of ladyfingers. And we're gonna start by separating the egg whites from the yolk. We're gonna put it on different containers. And to separate these eggs, you transfer the yolk from one side to another side of the eggshell, as you can see on the process. And then we're gonna add the sugar, half of the cup of the sugar into the egg whites, and we're gonna start mixing them, guys. This is gonna take an easy 5 minutes process to make the egg whites kind of thick, and we're gonna walk you through the process, and we're gonna show you exactly how it's supposed to look like. Like I said, it's gonna take like 5 minutes, but at the end we will show you how you can flip the container up and down, and the mixture is not gonna fall off. So we're gonna show you that. Looks like it's about to be ready. Okay, so now take a look at the container. As we flip it, it doesn't fall off. So that means that the mass is completely ready. And now we're gonna mix the yolk with the rest of the sugar. And this is gonna take also at least another 5 minutes, guys, to mix it up. So we're gonna keep mixing it until it becomes thick. Okay, it's ready to add the mascarpone cheese. At this time, we're gonna add all the mascarpone cheese, the whole pound. And what we're gonna do is mix the mascarpone cheese, and we're gonna add the cream cheese as well. And we're just gonna mix it all together. Once we add the Philadelphia cream cheese, then we're gonna start mixing the mascarpone, the Philadelphia, along with the yolk. And we're gonna try to mix it up to a point where it's smooth and creamy. Once it's smooth and creamy, then we are gonna grab the mixture of the egg whites, and we're gonna put it in. We're gonna start mixing it together, and we're gonna fold it. And the reason you wanna fold it is because you don't want the egg whites to break down. So we have to fold it in, like we're showing the process here. We need to fold it in, all of it. And then we're gonna fold it and fold it until it's well mixed in together. Make sure to use it all, because you're gonna need it to build up your tiramisu, and you're gonna need all these. Okay guys, so we're gonna start building the cake. And to build the cake, we're gonna dip the lady finger super quick in the cold coffee. And then we're gonna lay down the lady fingers across the cake tray. As you can see the samples, here's how we do it, okay? Just dip it in and get it out. So you want a nice bed of lady fingers. And then we're gonna start adding like half of the cream on top of the first layer. We are gonna make sure it's evenly spread out. So this is the first layer, and look how uniform it is. Now we're gonna start the second layer. And the second layer, we're gonna do exactly the same process. We're gonna dip in the lady fingers and we're gonna put it across. Another bed, exactly the same way we made the first one. So second layer is done, and now we're adding the rest of the cream on top of the last layer. And again, we're gonna make sure it's completely uniform, nice and evenly spread out. Now we are gonna place it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Once you get it out, then it's time to add the cocoa on top of it to make it look nice and tasty for a nice presentation for the cake. You gotta make sure you spread the cocoa on top of the cake evenly. Okay, and now we spread the cocoa on top of it, and now we're gonna cut it. And we're gonna cut it in 12 pieces. And this is our final result, guys. Try our recipe. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.